Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about resolving an issue that you are experiencing on your Windows computer where you have a black screen when installing new programs. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the Start menu, type in CMD. Best result should come back with Command Prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, go ahead and select Yes. And now I will have a couple commands in the description of my video. Copy the first one from the description. It's the SFC /scannow command. And then go up to the top bar of the command prompt window here, right click on it, select Edit, and then select Paste to paste it in. Hit Enter on your keyboard to begin running the scan. It will take some time to run, so please be patient. And then you want to go copy the second command and paste it in too. Okay, so it completed successfully. Go ahead and close out of here and restart your computer. And there you go, guys. Simple as that. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.